You don't need 1 million naira to start up that business. No, you don't need 1 million naira. You don't even need up to 500,000 naira to start up that business. Now, this is exactly what I would do if I have just 200,000 naira to start up a business. Most of you have 200,000 naira and you're saying to yourself, no, it's not enough. I need to wait until it is 1 million. Trust me, if you keep waiting, something else will come up and you will have to dip your hand into that saving and use it for it. Why not start with what you have? Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is On Jumia, and here I create content on how to start and grow a profitable business online. I go in depth with importation and different ways of earning sustainable income from the online space. So today's video is one that you are going to find very interesting. Let's say you want to start up a business and all you have is 200,000 naira. What business can you venture into right now in Nigeria that will make you money fast? If 200,000 naira is all I've got, I am going to start up foodstuff packaging business. Guys, you see this business, it is one you don't want to sleep on. Foodstuff packaging business, and I'm going to explain to you all in detail how you're going to start this business, so that if this is something you find interesting, you can give it a try. If I have just 200,000 naira, what I would do is I'm not going to use up the whole 200,000 naira. I can start with 100k. I will go to a major market where they sell foodstuff in bulk. Listen to what I said. I will go to a main market where they sell in bulk. You don't want to be buying from retailers. You want to be buying from the direct dealers, the direct suppliers. Now, I can go and buy half bag of beans. Listen to me. You can go to a foodstuff market and buy half bag of beans. You buy crayfish. I don't know how much exactly half bag of beans is. There are different types of beans. So you're going to buy the good ones that you know people are buying. These bold ones. You buy half bag or even quarter bag. Guys, you can buy quarter bag from them and the price will be subsidized because you're not buying in measures. You're not buying painter, you're not buying mudu. You can buy quarter bags. When you go to those markets, you definitely see people that are sharing, right? People that are sharing a bag. Some are sharing half, some are sharing quarter. You share with those people. Buy quarter bag of beans, buy crayfish. You can buy crayfish, maybe 4 painters, depending on how much they are selling it currently. So I'll buy like 3 to 4 different foodstuff. Beans will be there, crayfish will be there. I can decide to buy a type of dry fish if my money can take it. Right now, once you buy these different foodstuff, you come back home, take your time to pick your beans. Yes, guys, it is work, but you will make money. So listen, my beans, I'm going to destone these beans. Do you understand me? You get something. There's something we use in the north. We call it what do we call this kind of tray that is made from some kind of wood? What is it called? Guys, I've forgotten. So matankade, you know, I was born and raised in Jos Plateau State, so we make use of this matankade. You can use it to, you know, dust your beans, bring out anything, dirt, stones, anything. Use it very fast, or you use tray if that's what you have handy. Use it, or you even use filters. Use it to remove dirt, stones from your beans, and then you repackage it. You can repackage these beans as 1 kg. Get a Ziploc bag. Get a Ziploc bag. You package these beans, maybe 1 kg. Yeah, 1 kg is good. You can have 1 kg, you can have 2 kg. Then you multiply and know how much you'll be selling. Know how much you'll be selling. Add your cost price, everything you spent, your transport to the market where you bought the beans and other food stuff, your money for sharing, because the people that will be sharing, they will charge you for it, how much you bought the beans, and then your Ziploc bag. Add all this to your cost and know how much exactly you spent. Then when you now share them into 1 kg, you will know how many kgs you got from that quarter bag of beans. Then you'll be able to price your product perfectly. Now you get your crayfish again, you remove dust, dirty from your crayfish, make your crayfish look very fine and attractive. Package it again, 1 kg or 500 grams in Ziploc bags. guys, you are ready for business. Now you advertise this to your friends, your neighbors, right? Most importantly, you can sell this online. These are not products, these are not perishable foodstuff. Note that you're not selling perishable foodstuff. You're selling foodstuff that you can actually send to wherever within Nigeria. You can do Weibi, you can do deliveries. You advertise and tell people that these are good beans that has been destoned, no stone in them. They can just buy, wash and cook. Buy, wash and cook. With time, you can even go into processing these beans. I know of a lady that does that sell food stuff. Currently she's even doing moi moi mix. You know, she buys these beans, wash it, prepares it for moi moi dry. You understand? She has moi moi mix, she has akara mix, she sell pap, she sell dry pap, wet pap, and she's making money. To be honest, this is a business that you can start with 200k. I've made video here in the past that you can actually start up your pap business with 50,000 naira. I mean, you're making pap and selling, people will buy. You can sell the dry one, you can sell the wet one, people will buy. There are different food stuff business that you can go into. You don't necessarily need to spend up to 200k. And guys, you know one thing that is so you know sweet with selling food stuff business is that people will always buy the food stuff. I mean, no matter what the economy is saying, people must eat. People must eat. So foodstuff business is that business that is evergreen, it is profitable. And looking at Nigerian population this time around, people are hustling and bustling. Nobody has the time to go to an open market. If you're in Lagos, you understand what I'm saying. People don't have that free time to go to market and start doing foodstuff shopping. Some of them just walk into the closest supermarket. That is why supermarket is something that is very is everywhere in Lagos. People just walk into the nearest supermarket, buy beans, buy garri, all this. You see them packaged in Ziploc bags, 1 kg, 2 kg. Do you think they are selling the same price with the people in the market? No, they are selling more, but because it is, they've done most of the work, they've picked these beans, no dirt, no dust, nothing, and they've branded it. People just go into supermarket, pick, and they go home, make their food. Do you get what I'm saying? So this is a business that you can venture into. You can use your WhatsApp. You have people on your WhatsApp, you can do marketing on your WhatsApp, you can use Instagram to sell, you can sell on Facebook, but I love Instagram, I love WhatsApp. Do you get me? This is a business that you can start. So my sister, you have 200k and you're waiting for that money to get to 1 million. Please start up something with that 200k. If what you have is 100,000, start up something. Start selling food stuff from the comfort of your home. Now you don't necessarily need to be in a physical store for you to sell. You can start selling from the comfort of your home, and these food stuff are not perishable. Get these beans, put it in a jerry can, in a jerry can that has cover that you can tight very well. Put in a jerry can, put some few pieces of dry pepper inside. Nothing like weevil. Nothing like weevil will visit your beans. Start selling, start marketing. If you don't want to do beans, why not do processed food stuff? Like maybe you buy these beans, you wash it. You start with some small quantity, you wash it, make it into akara mix, maybe the dry one, you sell. You can start making pap. Go to the market, buy this ingredient needed for pap. I mean, when you come on YouTube, try to consume content that you know will add value to you. I don't know how to explain it. There are loads of content on YouTube that will make you money. Come on YouTube, search how to make dry pap. Say you don't know how to do it, how to prepare or how to do dry pap. You will see tons of videos. Watch 1 or 2, you already know the process. These are videos that will show you step by step. Come on YouTube, type how to make what again. It is on YouTube. You already have the idea. The process to do it is on YouTube. You will get value for your time, value for your data. Start up that business, and before you know it, guys, you're already a known brand. I am telling you, before you know it, you know that particular famous brand you know in the supermarket that are selling this stuff, they did not just start today, and trust me, they did not start with 1 million. They started small. They started small. When I started my business, I started with few pieces of shoes. I started with towel. One day I'll sit down and tell you guys the story. I started with few pieces of shoes. How many pieces? I will go on 1688 and I'll choose size 41 one pair, 42 one pair, 43 like that, like that, like that, maybe two different designs, and I will ship it down. But today, so start with something. Don't wait until that money is complete. You will be procrastinating and 2026 is done and busted. Start now. That your 100k, that your 200k, start now. You don't necessarily need to do importation. That's why I'm not talking about importation in this video. You don't necessarily need to do importation. There are businesses within right here that you can start and you will make money from them. You can sell palm oil. Yeah, you can go buy the keg of palm oil. You come, you put it in this 1 liters bottle. You will put your profit and sell. In as much as you're selling good palm oil, people will always come to you. They will refer people to you. They'll refer their friends, their neighbors, their colleagues to you. Just ensure that whatever you're buying the good ones. Don't look at the money. Buy good ones, because that's what will push you out there. That's what will even make you more money. Hope you got value from this video. So I'm going to leave a video for you on the screen right here where I spoke about how to make money selling fresh and dry pap online. The video will be on the screen. I love you guys. I wish you all the best in your endeavors, in your business. I want to start. Only is rooting for you and praying for you all. Definitely it will end in praise. I love you.